There's no shells in it, right?
No shells. You want A, B, or pair?
Yeah, just A, B.
Okay. You want to get the feel for it?
Yeah. Okay, pull.
Okay, coming. Wow.
Report.
This one's going to be easier because it's coming.
Actually, yeah, I'm going to try it at the end though.
Okay.
We'll try it true at the end. And so you do this one first and then that one. So.
Okay.
Pull.
Okay.
Yep. As soon as I pull the trigger on the first one, just pull the other target.
Okay, got it.
Pull.
Perfect.
Oh. So now you're gonna hit the true pair button, okay?
Okay.
When I call it.
Got it.
Now try and shoot him. But you gotta shoot this one first because if you wait for that one, now it's gonna be.
Yeah, exactly. This one's closer here.
So true button, okay? Pull.
Okay. Wow, got both.
True again, okay?
Okay.
Pull. So that crosser, target's here, then here, okay?
Follow it.
This one, just target's here, got underneath it, just put the bead under it and pull it through. It's pretty simple. There's another easy. Okay, so you're gonna start with your gun over there, because you just a little bit there, because you want to see the target coming from the machine, okay?
Yep, and then follow it.
And then follow, okay?
Okay.
Always the target's here, Frank. It would be on this is a target just underneath.
Just underneath it.
Okay?
Okay.
Not too far, you don't need much lead.
Okay, ready, pull.
Start over that way more. Right? You want to see the target coming from the with your corner of your eye. And then follow it. Because if you wait to go in front of you, then you got to pick it up on your eyes, right? So, okay? So now you're going to do this one. Okay, beat.
Yep, ready.
Pull. Yeah. Pick up the target, okay?
Yep. Okay, ready.
Yep.
Wow.
So you gotta, like I said, just because you're gonna hold it, but you want to look at the machine for the target. So then you see it, then you start moving, okay? Don't wait till it comes here to pick it up because you're shooting it too late. You should break it over here.
So the machine is in your field of view, though?
Well, don't forget, it's once it loses speed, the target's dropping. So that is really deceiving. So, you know, it's
okay, ready.
See that one you just underneath it?
Yeah, that's how I did it.
The crosses are hard. Okay, take one more shot.
Okay. Okay. Pull.
They all stop right.
So once you stop in your gun on the first,
Yeah.
it's a hard habit where you got to keep when you pull the trigger. It's like golf, you got to follow through with it.
Yeah, exactly.
Just keep it open. Keep it open. Just lean it over your shoulder like that. Good shooting though.
Yeah, it's not bad.